Well, one of the things that large animal veterinarians, and in particular equine veterinarians, do is provide dental health in horses. And the primary thing that is involved in doing that is what is called teeth floating. And float means to smoothen. It's the Latin word for smoothing. And the horse's upper jaw is actually wider than its lower jaw. And so subsequently the teeth don't hit together just perfectly. They hit a little bit offset like that. Well, those portions of the teeth that are offset will get points on them. And those points will actually cut the tongue and cut the insides of the cheek of the horse. And so what we do is we sedate them in a safe manner, and then we take a file or what's called a dental float, and we will go in there and file those sharp points off. That's very important also to allow the horse to be able to chew its food up properly and to grind the grain down into digestible pieces. As you may notice, this horse has a portion of her forehead shaved, and the reason she does is because I noticed that she was having a little bit of discharge out of her nose, and that discharge had a really foul odor to it. Well, that can be due to a variety of things, and one of those things is to have an infected tooth root up here in her sinus cavity, and then that was draining outside of her nose. Well, in order to determine which teeth she had infected, I had to take her to a board-certified equine surgeon, and they had to take a whole series of skull x-rays to determine which teeth were infected. And those skull x-rays are the only way to determine if there is any severe dental disease going on. And looking inside of the mouth only, you can really only guess as to what's going on, and that's only a very small part of the problem that can occur inside the mouth, and it takes advanced diagnostics sometimes to see other things.